I'm sure you're here because you want to do a degree in BSc, Bachelor's of Science. Now, it's very important for you guys to know the specialization which gonna give you a great future. What is the admission process to study in best colleges in Mumbai? Are there entrance exam and what is the career scope? So I'm gonna share each and everything in detail. Also, the list of top 10 colleges for BSc in Mumbai. So guys, make sure that you watch the video till the end. Hi guys, welcome back to Media Mentor. If you're here on my channel for the first time, I make a lot of informative videos for students, so please make sure that you subscribe. Is there a scope in BSc degree? Guys, there is lot of scope. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि अगर आपने मेडिकल नहीं किया तो आप हेल्थ सेक्टर में और साइंस में कुछ नहीं कर सकते. देयर आर अमेजिंग स्पेशलाइजेशन जो आप कर सकते हो and there is a great demand for it in future. See, before I tell you the list of colleges जो top 10 है, specialization के हिसाब से भी colleges change होते हैं. I'm going to give you generic college list, but you have to first understand कि कौन सा specialization आपके लिए best रहेगा. Because जैसे कि आप जानते हो, regular BSc जिसे बोला जाता है, physics, chemistry, mathematics, zoology, statistics, आप ये सारे तो कर ही सकते हो. And yes, उसके बाद भी आपके पास option होता है कि आप MSc करें and then you can get a very good job opportunity. But when you talk about the self-finance course in the BSc sector that I'm going to tell you, and that is where you should be focusing on. See, the first thing that is trending and is great in demand is BSc IT, Information Technology and Computer Science. That is offered by the top colleges of Mumbai. अगर हम entrance की बात करें तो सिर्फ Xavier's College है जो BSc IT के लिए entrance लेता है. पिछले साल तक जय हिंद कॉलेज भी entrance exam लेता था, but इस साल there is no entrance exam. That's a good news for you guys. And maths is mandatory. So अगर आपने maths लिया है तो BSc IT and Computer Science is one of the best option that you can opt for. और अगर आपको क्वेश्चन है क्या वो बीटेक के डिग्री में कंपेयर कर सकता है? यस, डेफिनेटली. अगर आपने उतना अच्छी तरीके से अपना प्रोफाइल मेंटेन किया है, एड ऑन कोर्सेज किया है एंड यू आर एक्सपर्ट इन वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग, बी सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट, बी कोडिंग, तो यस आप कंपीट कर सकते हो. बिकॉज इन द इंडस्ट्री व्हेन यू सी इट्स नॉट अबाउट द इंजीनियरिंग डिग्री कि उसको ज्यादा पैसे दे देंगे या BSc IT है तो उसको कम पैसे देंगे. इट विल ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन योर स्किल सेट. Second in demand is biotechnology. So if you're somebody who loves biology and with that technology, you have a great future and you should definitely check out the detail of the course biotechnology, like BSc in biotechnology, because that is where the future lies, be it genetics, pharmaceuticals and lot more options. And third is BSc in microbiology. So if you are someone who loves research, who loves lab, then yes, this is for you. Because when you talk about food industry, as you see that it's growing and there are more and more experts that is required as humans are moving towards technology. They want food to survive for a longer period of time. ज़्यादा self life चाहिए, but at the same time safety भी चाहिए. So if you are an expert in microbiology, you can contribute so much. Next comes the most interesting one is BSc in Forensic Science. अब ये बहुत कम colleges offer करते हैं, but if you are somebody who loves crime, यार वो CID वाला नहीं, I don't go with कि वैसे fancy चीजें होंगी, ऐसे नहीं होती है. It is literally scary. So if you are not comfortable with blood and dead bodies, I don't think so you can do it, because you know, you literally have to be on the crime side. And BSc in Forensic Science is deeply rooted with criminal psychology as well. So if you're interested, you can explore that option. Then come BSc in Environmental Science. As you know, the concern with global warming, green living is growing. We are talking about EVs, we are talking about solar panel. Government of the countries are investing in this. So yes, if you are an environmental lover, you should definitely opt for BSc in Environmental Science. Then come the fun one, but at the same time very niche. That is BSc in Animation and Multimedia. So ये जो specialization है guys, when I'm talking about, is not offered by all the universities and the colleges, but I just wanted to make you aware that these are the specialization that is available. So depending upon your interest and how you imagine your future to be, you can pick and choose the specialization. अगर आप generic specialization करते हो, that is also fine, and you can do an add-on course, you can do a lab research, you can do the research paper with the generic BSc, your maths, stats, physics, chemistry, जो भी है. But indeed, if you do the specialization, it will give you an upper hand because you will be trained for the specific field. Now let's see the top 10 colleges for BSc in Mumbai. So these are the list of top 10 colleges. As I said, these are the generic colleges for BSc which are doing great. Specialization इनकी websites पे आप check कर सकते हो because the niche specialization I'm talking about वो सारे colleges offer नहीं करेंगे. But do let me know in the comment box below that what specialization are you looking for in BSc so that I can help you with a list of colleges. In future, I'll definitely make the reel and put it across. So make sure that you stay tuned to get all these updates. And talking about the higher studies and job opportunities, all the sector from biotechnology to microbiology to IT to computer science, even data science is open for you. Guys, there is also an option of BSc in data science, which I forgot to mention in the specialization, but even data science is growing. In BSc, one thing guys you have to remember कि most of the courses will demand you to have a certain subject in your 12th because obviously it is interlinked. So data science भी एक बहुत अच्छा option है. So data science is a field that is growing as well. Cyber security is growing. Environmental science is growing. So all the specialization that I mentioned to you, think over it. And if you guys want to get in touch with me personally for one-on-one counseling session to understand about your career prospect, colleges, you can contact us on this WhatsApp number. My team will share all the details with you. And yes, guys, just a food for thought. There are a lot of students I know that are preparing for UPSC, IPSC. So अगर आप वो करना चाहते हो आपकी BSc degree के साथ आप वो भी कर सकते हो. I hope guys the video was informative. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.